Today we will see how to delete multiple contacts at once from our iPhone. For those who don't know, when you go to delete a contact, it only allows you to delete one at a time. For example, let's imagine that I want to delete these three here, which are quad A, AB, and AC. What happens if I want to, for example, start with the first one, selecting it to, for instance, select the other two and delete them? It won't allow it because there is no option to select. There is no option here. So what can we do? For this occasion, we are going to use two fingers. So we are going to bring our two fingers together and we are going to point from the first contact we want to delete to the last one. For example, this one from A to Ave to Ase. These three contacts I want to delete. So with two fingers, I will press on the first one and simply swipe down, and notice that the three contacts are automatically selected. Now all I have to do is press and hold on one of these, and the option to delete the three contacts appears, as you can see here. So I could delete all three contacts, and that's it. I just click and it says delete contact. Now you might be wondering, but I don't want to delete three consecutive contacts. I want to delete this one from Alejandra, this one from Anna, and this one from Laura, for example. Now, unfortunately, we want to delete several contacts that are not consecutive, meaning they are not lined up as we just saw, where we place one after another and select them that way. Instead, for example, we want to delete the first, the fifth, the sixth, and so on. Well then, we need to take this other step. This would be part of it, and that is to log into iCloud. You can do this from a Windows device, as well as from a Mac. From a Mac, it is much easier if you already have it synced. No need to install the iCloud application. Simply go to iCloud.com. I'm going to leave the link in the description. Log in with your iCloud, and once you're here, all you need to do is go down to the left where it says Contacts. Click on that. Now, there is an option that many videos and people mention, which is the option to create a new list. In this list, you will include all the contacts you want to delete, and then click up here on the right where it says Select All Contacts, and then click Delete All Contacts. However, this doesn't work because all it will do is delete all the contacts from the list, but they will still remain in the main list where it says All Contacts. If you delete them from a secondary list, they will still exist here. So what you can do is use the great functions of Windows and Mac, which should also be on the iPhone itself. Simply select, for example, this first contact that I want to delete and press the Control key on our Windows keyboard. If you are on a Mac, press the Command key, although it can also be the Control key. Just try it out. What should happen is that when you press Control and start selecting the contacts you want to choose, they will be highlighted in blue. For example, let's say I want to remove this one from Anna. I also want to remove this one from Andres, this one from Bot, and this one from Brazil Microfono, and so on. Once I have selected all the spaces, all the contacts, what I need to do now is go up to these three dots and click Delete Contacts, and I will be able to delete all the contacts randomly without needing to do this on the iPhone. You can also do this on the iPhone. You would need to look for iCloud and log in directly in desktop mode to allow it. But honestly, it's much more complex there. I recommend that you do it on a laptop, a portable computer, or a desktop PC, or on a Mac if you have one, because it is much easier. You can simply delete them, and since it is synchronized with our iPhone, it will also be managed there and will delete all the contacts we have chosen here.